lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing a brand new subscription called the blinkwinkbox. So if this is something that you're interested in, this is a makeup slash beauty subscription. It is a monthly subscription. And if you want to find out my thoughts of this, everything about it, and is this subscription a scam? Then keep on watching. All right, before I begin, I want to tell you that I started a second channel. It is called Justanne's World. I will leave it down below. And it's called Justanne's World because it's all about my world. It's about more on a personal level. So if that's something that you think that you'd be interested in, to see more of me, like what I go through, my life, stuff like that, then that is definitely the channel for you. Okay. So this just came in yesterday. Today is Sunday when I'm filming it. So it came in Saturday. I'm looking for my cutter. I still got to find a bigger cutter. Let me tell you a little bit about this subscription. So maybe about a month or two ago, blinkwinkbox had an Instagram, and I guess was asking people to send them people who would be on, who they would want on the PR list. And so I was tagged a few times, and so then I looked at them like, a new subscription? What's this about? I even posted it on the community post on this channel and on my Instagram and asked you guys if this is something that you would want to see me unbox on, because you guys know your girl loves new subscriptions. And most of you guys said yeah, probably like 98% said yes. So, but this company did reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to get in PR, and I was like, yes, I do. I also was informed a little bit that somebody thought maybe this was a scam because they didn't see any reviews or anything like that. And for me, because it's a brand new box, like I think I'm the first one to receive this box. If there's no reviews on it, like nobody received it and it's a new company, you're not going to see any reviews. So I was very hopeful, but I did get it. So it's not a scam so far. Haven't opened the box yet. When it does say, the mailer does say blinkwinkbox, and that's all I know. Oh, let me tell you a little bit about it. I did write some stuff down, that way I could tell you a little bit about it before I unbox it, because you know I get so excited I forget. Okay, so the blinkwinkbox launched this month. It is $32.99 a month, and it's a 2-in-1 box. It's a beauty box slash lash box. And, okay, it tells you what everything is in here. And let's see, what else did I say? And this box is supposed to focus on the eyes since you got to wear a mask. So it's only going to be like stuff for your eyes. I guess that's why they also do a lash. And that's probably why it's so expensive, $32.99, because it's a makeup and it also is a lash subscription in one. All right, and that's all that I know. So let's open her up and see what we got. I do know one of the spoilers. It's an eyeshadow palette that I love the brand. Okay, so this is what I see when you first open it up. If you guys can see. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so you have a box. Very, very nice. You have some stuff that won't fit in the box, and that's it. Okay. So this was what was on outside of the box, and this is a Mascara, and this is like a full set of brushes. Wow. Mascara is very expensive. They do have nice products, but I would never pay full price for anything Mascara, but I love when it's in subscription boxes. All right, let me look up and give you a price real quick. Okay, so this says it's a Mascara 7-piece brush set with brush cleaner, and it retails for $29.99. And there we go. Let's open up and see what these brushes feel like. I don't think I ever tried their brushes before. I didn't even know they made brushes. Oh, it's taped. Let me get my cutter. All right, back in business. Let's see. Let's take it out. All right, so here's one of the brushes here. Very nice. It's very flimsy. And you guys know I like, there's a little piece of hair sticking up. All you have to do is cut it though. I like more dense and like soft and dense, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like this is very fluffy. So I would use this to kind of like take off the powder. This here is more like a concealer brush. I don't use brushes. I use a sponge. But, so you have that. Okay, and then you have 4 eyeshadow brushes right there. Let's see how this little blend in. Okay, so now this is nice. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, so there you go. And then you have a brush cleaner. So you would just like, you know, spot clean it, you know. I don't know what that sound was. But all right, so $30 for the first thing. And this box was $32.99. Okay, let me find room to put this somewhere. Hold the phone. All right, so now we have this box. It's like holographic. I know my lights. Look, it looks like I have a whole bunch of lights. But that is really, really pretty. And look, it like magnifies. Magnifies? How would you say that? It's magnetic. There you go. Magnetic. Okay. Oh, and has a mirror. What box do you know has a mirror on it? Wow, that's nice. It's not like a real good mirror. It's like one of those like you ever see like a toy mirror, you know, like your kids would play with, and it has that. That's what it kind of looks like, but that's pretty cool. Makes me look a little fat, so I don't know how I feel about that, but I really like that. And there's a little sneak peek. Not too much. You know, I like to tease you. Everybody likes a little foreplay. Okay. So let me show you the first thing. This was the spoiler that I knew. So this is from Kara's Beauty. I absolutely love Kara's Beauty so much. This is the Orange Pop eyeshadow. And that's what the back looks like. I'm not going to open this because it is plastic wrapped. And I already have this. I'm going to go see if I can find mine. And that way I can show you and do some swatches if I can find it. But my second channel, we're so close to 5,000 subscribers. So once we get there, we're going to have a giveaway on that channel. So I'm going to put that in that giveaway. All right. Let me see if I can find it. Be right back. All right, so I found it. I do have 3 palettes from them. I have the Girl Scout palette, and this is more like a green palette. Let me show you because I love this brand. So that's what it looks like. You guys can see that I definitely get some uses out of it. Very, very pretty. Then they have the Purple Haze palette. And they all come with mirrors. And look at this beauty. Yes. A lot of times when I do my purple looks and you guys ask me what palette I'm using, this is it right here. But this is the the Orange Pop. You can see they're all like weed themed, you know. And it has a nice mirror. But look at this. So pretty. You guys can see that I definitely use this. It's so gorgeous. This is the one that I got, you see. So I'll put this over here. So let's do some swatches. The only thing I don't like about this palette, it has 2 like glitter shades. And even though I like glitter, I don't like them in palettes because they get inside the other powder. Do you know what I mean? So I don't prefer that. But let me do a couple swatches. Oh God. I mean, so pretty. I'm not going to swatch like the glitter shades. But here we go. So here's 2 mattes, and then here are 2 shimmer shades. Let me show you. Here are the swatches. Let me turn you down. Nope, that's too dark. You guys can see right there. So pretty, guys. These are the 2 shimmer shades. This here, you would have to wet it a little bit, but it's beautiful. Yeah, love that so much. All right, let me get this off of my hands. Yeah, so like I said, when I seen this brand was in here, I was so excited. That's why I asked you guys if you want to see me unbox it. Okay. The next thing, oh, let me tell you the price on that. Okay, so that's $14. The next thing is from, it looks like Illuminati. This is, what is this? Is this? No. Yeah. This is from Illuminati. This is called the Skull and Bones palette. $21. Oh, heck no. Heck no. Now, one thing about Illuminati, first of all, I do not like the name, but they are very expensive, and I would never pay, again, it's like Manica D'Or, would never pay the prices that they say. I mean, for 4 tiny eyeshadows, no, never. But, you know, like I always say, that's why I like subscription boxes. So there we go. It looks like, yeah, it's an all shimmer palette. So let's see. Now they feel good though. Okay, so there we go. I mean, let's see. That's going in one time. For $21, it's like, I'm going to go again and build it up for you guys. But I just would never pay $21 for something you have to keep building up for 4 shades, you know? Okay. So they are buildable and they are pretty. Don't get me wrong. They're just not like the blinding that I would expect for 4 tiny shadows. That is $21. You know what I mean? But you're not really paying that in this subscription. Okay, the next thing. Ooh, so this is from Urban Decay. This is the Light Beam Eyeshadow Palette. Let's see how much that is. Okay, this is $24. And I think I do have this too, but I don't know if I know where it's at. So that's what it looks like. It's a nice mirror. I'm not going to swatch this because I do believe I have this. I don't know where it's at right now, but I don't want to swatch it. I'd rather give this away, but it's gorgeous. I have tried this before. It's really nice. This one right here, this shimmer shade is beautiful. All right, all right. I mean, so far you have 3 eyeshadow palettes, you know? Okay, the last thing that's in the makeup box, then we have the Lash subscription. You have from Mascara again, you have the mascara, 2 mascaras in here. And this is saying it is $29. You have the curling, one is a curling and one is a volumizing. Now, you guys know, I say it all the time, I am a hashtag natural lashes, and I usually wear like 3, sometimes even 4 different mascaras. Not coats, like different mascaras, you know, when I go in. So I'm always looking for like the best mascara. But I do like the fact, because sometimes like you have the volumizing, or sometimes you don't have the lengthening. So this is good that you have the 2. To say. Now, you know what's funny? So they show pictures like this with like the eyelashes real, you know, they're fake eyelashes on there. When companies do that, it cracks me up. All right, so let's recap what you would get in the makeup box. And like I said, I'll show you the lashes. Okay, so you have the mascara. You have that. What else? What else? What else? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 6 brushes and then the brush cleaner. So 7 pieces, which I think is really nice. You have the Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. Love that. I do like Urban Decay. You have the Illuminati palette, which I wouldn't pay $21 for, but that's just the brand itself. They're expensive. But I'm glad that this is a shimmer palette. I like that. And then you have Kara's Beauty. I mean, guys, I love this brand. So that's pretty good. All right, so let's go with the lashes. Let me look at the price real quick. Okay, so this is called the Lash Library, and it's $19. Blink Wink. And you get how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs. Now, I don't personally wear lashes, but my daughter does. I tell you that all the time, so I'll give them to her. And what I like, it's different styles. You have like natural, you have more dramatic. And I might try a pair. Like, this one right here is like really pretty. I don't know. I say that all the time that I never try them because I get scared, you know? All right, so then we have everything that I showed you, and we have this for $32.99. Shipping is free. So my thoughts of this subscription. I think for the price for $32.99, shipping is free. I love the fact that they go for just the eyes, because I keep saying a lot of these subscription boxes, right? They're giving a lot of lipsticks and lip glosses. Why? Because lipsticks and lip glosses aren't selling right now. So a lot of companies want to throw them in subscription boxes to get rid of it because they do go bad. But you know, you wear mask. At least in New Jersey, it's required to wear a mask anywhere you go. And so, for me, I don't. I just put like lip balm on, you know? So I love the fact that this just is for the eyes. I love that so much. I think it's a pretty good box, especially you get the lashes if you like to wear lashes. And I think the value's definitely there. This is only the first box, so I don't want to to be too hard on them because it does take a while to build up the brand and get companies to work with you. Do you know what I mean? So I don't want to be too hard on it, but I do think it's definitely worth the $32.99. And I'm very excited to see how they progress because I think for the first box, it's really, really good. Also, it has a mirror. I love the packaging. But I really think this box is worth it. In my opinion, I really do. I did get this set in PR, but if I was going to pay for it, like I had that option, I would get this subscription. I honestly really, really would. I don't make anything out of it if you purchase it. Oh, I do have a code. I don't remember what it is offhand, but I'll put it on the screen. I think you save like 10%. So that is that. Yeah, and that's everything. Let me know what you guys think of blinkwinkbox. Have you heard of it? I know it's the first box, but I mean like on Instagram. Let me know all the tea. What are your thoughts of the first box? All right, guys, that is everything. Don't forget, I will link my second channel down below. Give that a follow. And that's everything, guys. Please give this video a like. It really does help me out. And like I always say, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.